Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write a 10-line essay on traffic police. First line, traffic police control and regulate the traffic. Traffic police control and regulate the traffic. Second line, he wears a uniform. Third line, he works very hard. Fourth line, the work of traffic police is very risky. Fifth line, despite working hard, a traffic police gets paid less. Sixth line, he cannot sit and rest. Seventh line, if he suspects any vehicle he stop it and check the license and other documents. Eighth line, traffic police take action in case of violation of rules. Ninth line, he works for the easy and free movement of the people. Tenth line, traffic police is a familiar figure in towns and cities. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.